Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the Amazon Flex app on Android in 2025 since it's not directly available on the Google Play Store. So, it's not available in the Play Store, you will need to download it manually. So, let's open any browser. Google Chrome works great. From the search results, search flexamazon.com here and click on the official link that says flexamazon.com here, this one. Then open this once the site loads, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and you will see a small sections that says download the Amazon Flex app. Click the download button. Your phone may warn that this file could be harmful. Don't worry, it's from the official Amazon site. Just tap download anyway. This one. Once the download is complete, open the APK file. You may need to enable the install from unknown source in your setting to complete the installation if you haven't done it. It's very simple, you know it already. And that's it. You have now successfully installed the Amazon Flex app on your Android device. If this helped you, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.